Here's the deal. Finding a truly non-toxic waffle maker is tricky because many nonstick plates use PFAS-based coatings, but a few brands now publish PFAS-free or ceramic alternatives, and some models list PTFE/PFOA free right on the product page. Stick around because the countdown goes from budget-friendly minis to PFAS-free ceramic and feature-packed Belgian bakers with quick, clear verdicts and tiny trade-offs so it's easy to pick one with a clean conscience and better waffles. 6. Elite Gourmet's electric nonstick waffle maker. So, first up, Elite Gourmet's mini waffle makers are compact, cute, and fast, clocking crisp waffles in about 5 minutes on 350 watts. Great for quick chaffles, hash browns, or a single Belgian-style waffle when portion control is the mission. Manuals and listings tout 4.5 to 5-inch nonstick plates and easy wipe clean care, which fix the grab-and-go breakfast flow. Here's what matters. These are extremely small footprint units that heat quickly and keep cleanup simple with nonstick plates. For dorms, RVs, or a desk breakfast guilty pleasure, it's a yes. In quick tests like single-serve hash browns and almond flour chaffles, small plate mass means heat rebounds fast, so no pale patches after the first run. But let me explain the catch. Elite's product page includes a California Prop 65 warning for exposure to lead, and the brand doesn't advertise PFAS-free nonstick. That usually means standard PTFE-based coating. If the goal is non-toxic in the PFAS-free sense, this one doesn't signal that, and the warning will make some buyers uneasy. Downsides in use. The light weight can cause the lid to lift with thicker batters, so batter distribution needs a gentle hand. And without adjustable browning, crisp versus fluffy tuning is limited. Also, mini footprint equals mini output. Batching for more than one person is a patience test. Bottom line, it's a budget-friendly convenience pick, not the clean materials champion. If the brief is affordability and speed, this checks both. If the brief is PFAS-free or zero warning materials, it doesn't. 5. Dash Multimaker Mini System, Waffle Maker. All right, number 5, the Dash Multimaker Mini System with removable plates is fun, swappable plates, festive shapes, dishwasher-safe parts, and compact storage with 350-watt mini performance. The removable plates are a win for cleaning and for swapping waffle to griddle to holiday shapes without buying multiple machines. Now, the big question, non-toxicity. Dash publishes a chemicals disclosure that lists PFAS, PTFE, PFA, FEP, used for non-stick in its full-size and multi-mini waffle makers. Target's Q&A for the mini system confirms PFOA-free but PTFE-based non-stick, meaning it's not PFAS-free, it's standard fluoropolymer non-stick. If PFAS-free is non-negotiable, this is not the pick. In practice, the plates heat evenly for their size, dual-sided heating gives decent browning, and the automatic temperature control takes the guesswork out of minis. But, minis are minis. The 4-inch format is snack-sized. For actual family breakfast, batch time gets long, and plate mass is low, so the second and third waffles can lag in browning if the unit isn't fully recovered. Usability is great. Removable plates, dishwasher-safe carts, and a tidy storage case keeps things organized and easy to clean. Shaped plates keep kids engaged, and the griddle plates stretch use beyond waffles. It's hard not to smile at Santa waffles in December. Trade-offs: a no adjustable browning, limited output, and again, the PTFE-based coating. As a giftable, fun, compact system, it's a delight. As a non-toxic, PFAS-free choice, it misses the mark. 4. Cuisine WM520 Heart-Shaped Iron Waffle Maker. Now we're getting serious about materials. The Cuisine WM520 states ceramic non-stick plates that are PTFE and PFOA free, i.e. PFAS-free ceramic coating, which is exactly the spec many buyers want under the non-toxic banner. The brand calls it eco-friendly plates, and the unit adds adjustable temperature, a wide drip rim, vertical storage, 850 watts, and a 3-year limited warranty. Performance-wise, the 8-inch plate makes 5 adorable heart-shaped waffles at once, and the 850-watt element gives enough power to brown evenly without scorching sweet batters. If batter tends to creep, that drip rim is the unsung hero for tidy cleanup. With the temp dial, it's easy to dial fluffy or go crisp for fruit-heavy toppings. In testing, ceramic release is excellent when preheated properly. A light oil wipe helps for first uses. Ceramic tends to need a proper preheat more than PTFE, but it rewards patience with clean edges and a sturdier surface feel. It also doesn't have that new PTFE smell, which sensitive noses will appreciate. Here's what matters. Cuisine clearly publishes PTFE and PFOA-free plates, which simplifies the non-toxic decision, and paired with the adjustable thermostat and multi-heart output, makes this a versatile family machine. Visual charm plus better materials is an easy sell. If the goal is to avoid PFAS while keeping non-stick convenience, this is the sweet spot at this price. It isn't a flip Belgian, but for daily waffles, kids' breakfast, and brunch boards, the balance of features and materials is excellent.
3. Holstein Housewares Heart-Shaped Waffle Maker. Holstein's 4-section heart waffle maker focuses on quick, cute waffles with an easy, clean, non-stick surface and a mess-free, anti-overflow channel, nice for batter that gets enthusiastic. The brand specifies a PFOA-free non-stick coating on its product page, which is good, though it does not confirm PTFE-free. So for strict PFAS-free needs, treat this as likely PTFE-based but PFOA-free. In use, the anti-overflow channel is more useful than it sounds. When syrup-heavy batters go in, that channel saves a lot of scrubbing. Indicator lights help timing, and the layout bakes 4 hearts per cycle, making serving fast. It's an easy pancake morning but waffle-shaped device. Browning is even for a non-flip with good release after a short preheat. The plate's texture gives those pleasing ridges that hold syrup and fruit. For families or roommates, the 4-at-once output means fewer "is mine ready?" interrupts. Downsides: no specific PFAS-free claim, no adjustable browning on most listings, and a fixed hinge design that doesn't flip. That said, with a moderate preheat and consistent ladle amounts, results stay surprisingly consistent. If the brief is adorable waffles with cleanup guardrails and PFOA-free coating, this checks out. For ceramic nonstick or explicit PFAS-free, Cuisine above is the better match.
2. Chefman Belgian Waffle Maker. Here's where performance meets better labeling. Chefman's rotating Belgian waffle maker adds a 180-degree flip, adjustable timer/browning, a drip tray, vertical storage, and a 1080-watt heater for deep pocket waffles. Several listings call out PFOA-free and PFAS-free material type on the rotating model, which positions it squarely in the non-toxic conversation. In the kitchen, the flip matters. Even batter distribution along the grids means consistent texture, crispy outside, custardy inside, without overbaking. The adjustable timer reduces guesswork between light golden and caramelized, especially with yeasted batters or protein mixes that brown faster. Cleanup is straightforward. Non-stick plates wipe clean, the drip tray catches overflows, and vertical storage keeps it out of the way. It's the kind of machine that makes waffles feel like a Tuesday thing, not just a weekend ritual. Well, there's always a but. Rotating mechanisms can feel wobbly on budget models. Chefman's flip is reasonably solid for the price, but don't yank it around. Also, the footprint is larger than a mini, so plan a cabinet spot. Trade-offs are worth it for the texture and control. Bottom line, excellent feature set, strong heat, clear controls, and PFAS and PFOA labeling on some listings. This is a great, serious waffle pick for those aiming for cleaner coatings with restaurant-style results.
Number 1. Hamilton Beach Belgian Mini Waffle Maker.
At number 1, Hamilton Beach's Belgian lineup and the 26009 Mini stand out for one big reason. The brand explicitly markets PFAS-free nonstick surfaces on select waffle makers, and Target's listing for the 26009G highlights PFAS-free nonstick on the grids and channel. That's the clarity buyers want in a non-toxic waffle maker. Performance is quietly dependable. The 26009 makes two 4-inch Belgian waffles at once, with a browning selector, power and preheat lights, and a locking lid for upright storage. The instruction manual notes the deep Belgian grids and easy release, which pairs with the PFAS-free surface claim for an easy, clean, low-fuss workflow. In testing, preheat until the ready light, set the shade selector mid-range, and pour a measured ladle. The waffles lift cleanly and brown evenly without needing a flip. For chaffles and hash browns, the dual 4-inch format speeds batching compared to single mini makers, and the hinge batter channel reduces mess. What makes it top pick? Clear PFAS-free messaging from the brand's site and retailer, practical features, compact storage, and versatile output for everyday breakfasts. It hits the sweet spot between safer surface, usability, and price. For larger families, Hamilton Beach also offers 4-piece Belgian models if more capacity is needed. If the goal is best non-toxic option with mainstream availability, Hamilton Beach's PFAS-free line is the most transparent and confidence-inspiring choice. Pick the 26009/26009G style for 2-at-once minis, or step up to bigger grids if weekend brunch is a crowd sport. Final thought. If non-toxic means avoiding PFAS entirely, steer towards ceramic-coated or explicitly PFAS-free models. If it means PFOA-free, PTFE is acceptable, add Chefman's rotating to the shortlist for pure waffle quality. That's the choice that keeps breakfast joyful, and the cleanup, and the chemistry simple.